how to buy official Trump token on BingX. So this token came under the symbol of Trumps. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on MEXC. Now go and find this token there. What you need to do after that, click on markets here. As you can see, you will be able to see these exchange platforms. To be able to find the BingX, now check the page number 2. As you can see, this is the BingX. Now click on the pair here, as you can see. So after that, click on markets here. As you can see, you'll be able to see the BingX here. Click on the pair here. You will be able to redact it to your BingX account. Now log into your account. As you can see, select the buy option. You have the market and the limit. In the market, just drag this to set how much a percentage of that USDT that you have on your account that you will be use it to buy this token. So after that, click on buy Trump and you'll be able to buy this token. If you want to select the limit, now here type how much you want to buy that token. So because I don't have any fund on it, you will be able to see here the total that you will pay of USDT to be able to buy this token. After that, click on buy Trump and you will be able to buy it on your account. So this is how to buy Trump token on BingX. So if you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.